That does sound a lot like me.
Come here, Ash.
Derpy hooves.
Meer derpy hooves.
Liberty, freedom.
America.
Let's want before their America.
That's right.
It's all for you, baby. Tell you what this is, right? This here right now is for the Independence Day. This is for the 4th of July, the day that you slapped our fucking ass.
We went America.
Monster truck.
All right.
America.
This is a
I
monster
believe
truck
it
race
is
with
white,
dynamic
blue,
props.
or the Union Jack.
Oh,
Look at the tree on the right.
the trees are moving.
It's an ant.
The ants are back.
The ants are back.
Watch the ones in front. This one's solid. Not!
Not.
What the fuck?
Oh, okay.
Holy shit, someone's in the
Oh,
air.
that's solid. Hey, don't push me over.
Get out of my way!
I see. Oh, come on, Derpy. What are you doing that for?
Ouch! Do you believe in the Big Bang? Yeah!
I made it over. Yeah.
Bye.
Get back here!
Did you say IKEA? Oh no.
I'm getting through. I can't get through. Wait
the
up, wait up.
firework
I'm
about?
going the wrong way.
I think Mini Podgy's shooting off some fireworks. America.
Awesome. Right, I'm kind of stuck. But I am. How do I solve it?
Slam dunk!
Oh no.
Woo!
There
America!
we go. What the fuck's this?
America!
Murder.
America!
No.
Oh, I went over it.
America! Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Go bacon. That was for America!
I think I got Mini Podgy.
I'm stuck on the breeze. Ooh, this is perfect.
I'm walking. I'm walking.
Hi,
I
ouch.
got the check.
Ah!
Right, which props are dynamic again?
Let me show you.
Your mom.
No! Oh!
Did I kill you? Ah!
Oh,
Hey, I
perfect.
killed someone though. You got the first place, Bob?
Well, that's uncalled for.
Oh god.
Ooh, I almost landed on you, ouch.
Ah, bacon! But why? What did I ever do to you?
Blew me up.
Like, yeah, I can't deny that.
Let's get these trees out of the
It's
way.
happening again.
this is a solid tree. Oh no,
It
it's
is?
not.
No, how did that not blow you up?
Out of the way, tree.
You just running this race.
I'm just running.
Why not? Why not?
No!
Get out of
Let
here. We
me
need less green in the
think.
city.
Because
Let's
I see a big bang. That's why not.
Don't keep killing me.
I don't kill anybody. I never kill a soul.
No! You say that. Alright, Gandhi.
Woo! That's how you skip it.
I never kill a soul. Icy killed bacon.
Killing is for pussy.
Oh, there
Oh,
we
wait,
go.
bacon is a pussy.
Thank you.
I got the first place, motherfuckers! And I'm going the wrong way.
That sounds like you.
That does sound a lot like me.
Come here, ouch.
I've got a present for one. I got a present.
Wait.
Bacon, do you want to know what my present is?
What?
You gotta guess. You gotta guess.
No.
It's an amazing present. It's probably the best present you have ever received.
Checkpoint. Hey, bacon.
Checkpoint! Go bacon! Go bacon!
You blew me. And it
You forgot to say away again.
Jump.
Sounds different.
Oh my god, that was fucking monstrous.
Hey, die. Fucking die.
Push!
Oh
Gonna
god.
die today.
No!
Die today.
No!
Ah! Tree! Ah!
What's
Derpy
going on?
hooves. My derpy hooves.
Derpy.
Derp.
Derpy hooves.
These things shouldn't be down here.
Woo!
This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy.
This is fucking bonkers, man.
Bonkers, that's the word.
That's the
Not for
word.
using that.
I know, I like bonkers is so like 1990, but it really doesn't do that.
No, it doesn't.
It does. Bonkers is the
That's boring.
sounds boring.
I don't
You're
even know where I
boring.
go. Right, under here apparently. Sorry, tourists.
Tourists.
There we go, I'm through. Ah, don't kill me. Podgy, no!
Ask for something you usually don't get.
No! Podgy! Get back here!
Twisted thing to do.
Get back here, Podgy!
I killed many people, I
Podgy!
don't even know why.
I kill everything. Because it's fun. Flagger.
Yeah, use the flare gun on a tree, it's so much fun. Like, here's the tree, and there it's done. It's gone.
Doesn't know.
They get launched properly.
I'm down. I thought that was you running around. The tree's in my way. Get out!
Are you trying to do, Bryson?
I'm winning. That's what I'm trying to do.
Trying to.
Because I never win.
You don't have to.
Once.
You,
This is
you
easy.
don't try, you gotta do
Podgy!
it. Just
Yeah, what
do
do you
it.
say? I don't. I just have the natural instinct to be a wiener.
Let's get this tree out of the way. There you go. Fuck your tree.
There we go.
Ah, me dirty
Oh, he's going to rob me. He's robbing me. No, you don't. Eat a tree.
Eat a tree. Ah! Ha ha ha
Out of
ha!
the way.
Hail the conquering hero!
There's gonna be a box mine. No way. There's gotta be one somewhere.
There we go.
My derpy nerves.
Running.
Ah,
Running.
she missed.
Running. Checkpointing.
Checkpointing. Get out of the way, tree.
Gotta invert.
Get out of my train.
Ah, fucking buoy!
Dutch word of the day.
Dutch word of the day.
to
What is
say
the
a
Dutch
Dutch
word of the
word.
day?
Monster
You
truck!
guess what it is?
Oh, we guessed it.
Oh, are we guessing? Yeah. Yeah.
Can I know monster... Victal!
Victor.
I'm not German or French.
That sounded very German.
It did. It does. It sounds like Dr. Frankenstein's first name.
Bacon! Merry Christmas.
No.
Happy
That's what I
4th of
said.
July.
Victor is
Victor.
eyece's a butthole.
Winner!
No.
It's got wings. It's got wings.
It's got wings.
Seagull!
Red Bull.
No.
It's got wings.
It's alive, yet it doesn't live.
Play!
A plane, that's right.
Yeah!
Really?
You guessed it.
Oh wow. That was a fast
Victor.
guess. I think he's
Victor.
learning Dutch.
He's learning Dutch.
I am learning it very quick. You're doing it right.
I can't get
Say
up.
this right, say this right.
Right?
Ik hou van poep eten.
No.
Why not?
I can tell that's something about poop.
Oh, actually, no, we're going to do another. Oh, wait. We're going to launch ourselves into the checkpoint.
DNF Bacon!
Oh, I got the D. Right in the A.
But thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like
Mini Podgy.
Podgy!